What makes SailGP unique is its global nature. It's 12 events, it's 12 teams, it's 5 continents, and that makes logistics an incredible challenge.
We have to rebuild a live event almost every single week. Trying to arrange the logistics in a city like New York brings some certain challenges.
The scale of a SailGP event is immense. It's really building a temporary town in a live working port. We arrive with over 100 containers, and from those containers we are building our team bases, our hangars for our wings, media centres and areas for our fans. It's fast-moving work with lots of things going on at any one time. There really is no room for error.
This is where the scale of DP World really comes in. The containers came through the port of New York. We had to put them on a truck. Then we had to load them onto a barge to move them to Governor's Island. So this is a really good example of the multimodal skills.
It really takes a village to put on SailGP. Hundreds of people fully dedicated to putting on a great show for our fans. It's the MVPs operating behind the scenes, driving the forklifts, doing the cabling, doing all of the logistics. They're the people that makes this happen, delivering world-class racing, world-class fan experience, world-class hospitality.
You often see very fine margins in the winning of one team over another. That's the beauty of the sport, that's the excitement of the sport. Equally, we, behind the scenes, have our own challenges, and it's all about making sure that we have all those plans in place and the precision is at the heart of it all.
SailGP's global scale demands global expertise. This wouldn't be possible without the support of DP World's vast network and on-the-ground teams across the globe, ensuring that we have confidence we can deliver at any continent and at every port around the world. This really is smart logistics for new waters.
Working with DP World means that we can focus on racing and build our global audience and fan base.
Lines turn white, we go here!